Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 44. SIGAN. SIGAN. Again, our word for today is SIGAN, and this is used to say time in Korean. Again, it's SIGAN. How do you write SIGAN in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable, shi, we need to draw first a siyot character followed by an e character. For the second syllable, gan, we need to draw a giyot character followed by an a character followed by a nian character. Now let's try looking into this example sentence. It says, 지금 시간 있어요? Which means, do you have time now? We can divide this sentence into three parts. The first part is 지금, which means now. Second part is 시간, which means time, and that is our word for today. And 있어요 is used to say or ask, do you have something or do you have? So if we combine the meaning of these three parts, it would result to a question which says, do you have time now? Which is basically used to ask whether you have time now or not. Again, our example sentence is 지금 시간 있어요? And this is translated into English as, do you have time now? And on this sentence, we are able to use our word for today, which is 시간. And with that, you've just learned 시간. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 34 to 43. But don't forget our word for today, word number 44, 시간, which means time. The first word for our review is word number 43, which is 고양이, and it means cat. Word number 42 is 학생, which is used to say student. Word number 41 is 아니에요, which means it's not. Word number 40 is 네 or 네, which is used to say yes. Word number 39 is Aniyo, which means no. Word number 38 is check, which means book. Word number 37 is 학교, which means school. Word number 36 is 물, which means water. Word number 35 is 저예요, which means this is me or it is me. And the last word for our review is word number 34, 사람, which means person. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.